Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, have long been a dream of scientists and engineers. The ability to directly communicate with a computer or other machine using only brain signals has been a tantalizing prospect for decades. And now, thanks to advances in technology and software, the dream of BCIs may soon become a reality. LogicProgs is a software company that is developing tools to make BCIs a reality. Their software makes it possible to connect a person's brain directly to a computer or other machine, enabling the user to control the machine using only their thoughts. LogicProgs is working on a number of different technologies to make BCIs a reality, including machine learning algorithms, hardware-based sensors, and software that can interpret brain signals. The most important technology that LogicProgs is developing is the ability to interpret brain signals. This is done by connecting a person's brain to a computer via electrodes. These electrodes are then used to measure the electrical activity in the brain, which can then be interpreted by the computer to understand what the user is thinking. This process is called electroencephalography, EEG. LogicProgs has developed a number of different algorithms that can interpret the EEG signals. These algorithms can be used to identify certain patterns in the brain signals and create a model of how the user is thinking. This model can then be used to control a machine or perform other tasks. For example, a user could use their brain signals to control a robotic arm, play a video game, or even navigate a virtual reality environment. In addition to developing algorithms to interpret brain signals, LogicProgs is also working on hardware-based sensors. These sensors can be used to detect brain activity in a non-invasive manner, meaning that they do not need to be inserted into the brain. For example, LogicProgs is developing a device that can be worn on the head, which can detect electrical activity in the brain without having to be inserted into the brain. Finally, LogicProgs is developing software that can interpret the brain signals and convert them into commands for a computer or other machine. This software can be used to control a robotic arm, play a video game, or even navigate a virtual reality environment. LogicProgs is making great strides towards turning BCIs into a reality. By combining their algorithms, hardware-based sensors, and software, they are creating tools that can make BCIs a reality. If successful, their products could revolutionize the way we interact with computers and machines. The potential for BCIs is enormous. They could be used to control prostheses, help people with disabilities, or even allow us to communicate with computers in a completely new way. The possibilities are endless, and LogicProgs is leading the way in turning these possibilities into a reality.